In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and hitting features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Then decide if you wish to use small window or half screen as your one-handed mode and follow all of those instructions. I'm using virtual navigation, so I have to hold the back button. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on dark area or swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!